Hi there, and thanks for watching this video of PipJet's account number 3. I hope you watched the video commentary on account number 1 and number 2. We covered quite a few things that we feel are very important for your education regarding being a PipJet trader and as a trader in general. As time passed, the USD CAD conditions continued improving. We already talked about the discoveries we made about US CAD, which we feel in today's Forex trading is the absolute best currency to trade. Other currency, euro dollar, pound dollar, they can be profitable. In fact, the euro dollar can be quite a good pair to trade, but as time passes, things have changed in Forex. And the USD CAD, which PipJet trades, especially in the Asian session, is an absolute gold mine. And again, we talked about the discoveries that make US CAD a huge opportunity for traders. So anyway, as conditions improved with the US CAD pair over months, it became much more favorable. We decided to try a new account with a different broker that would reflect from its very beginning the improved trading conditions and further prove our case that USD CAD is developing into one of the best opportunities for Forex traders. When we launched PipJet on our 2 initial accounts, spread had already reduced dramatically. Just in 2009, the spread was around 5.2 pips average. As months went by, the spread went down dramatically, creating huge opportunities. By August of 2010, when the first account started trading, it was bordering on an average of just 3 pips, and that's huge. However, in April 2011, when we started this new account, it was showing signs of trading on certain days at the 2 pip level, which was humongous, right? Even we couldn't believe it. It was a fantastic opportunity. Additionally, the EU session, which is a key component of PipJet's risk management strategy, and again, please make sure you review the robot's strategy outline. But the EU session was showing strong signs of additional range contraction. In 2009, it averaged 130 pips from the high to the low of the session. When we started our first 2 accounts in 2010, it was in the 90 pip range already. And in 2011, when we started this specific account, it was averaging around 65 pips or so. And anyone who's been trading for a little while knows that's huge. We already talked about the importance of range contraction in the EU session, which is right after the Asian session, because that reduces risk dramatically. Because PipJet enters trades in the Asian session, and if for some reason it's in profit and doesn't exit the trade in the Asian session, we know the European session isn't going to be a killer. It's not going to be like a session in other currency pairs that have 150, 200 pips from high to low, which isn't manageable by any standard. The contraction range has lowered the risk of the robot's strategy considerably. And that's one of the main reasons the robot is profitable over the long term, especially now. These fantastic improvements simply begged for a new account to be put online, and the results were, and still are, nothing short of spectacular. The accuracy rate of the robot is very high, as you can see. The $1,000 initial deposit grew to $17,000 in profit. The overall balance being close to $19,000 already. That's with money management. The robot, again, has a built-in mechanism. So as the account grows, the robot will proportionately trade with a bigger lot size. And as you can see here, the 21st of May, the robot did suffer a loss, $555. But the equity of the account was so high at that time that the loss wasn't more than a few percent, so it really wasn't that bad. Okay, one more thing. Obviously, the swaps, this has nothing to do with the robot's performance. Here and there, you're going to see these swaps. That's just you being charged from time to time per trade, and that's reflected in the account's overall performance. So that's account number 3. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.